Hey there, ready for another deep dive? We're diving into the future because AI is making waves everywhere you look. We've got a stack of stories about crazy advancements, faster, cheaper, even AI that sounds like your favorite celeb. You ready to unpack all this?
Absolutely. The pace of development is mind-blowing. It's incredible to see how rapidly AI is evolving.
Well, then let's jump right into the thick of it. First up, we've got Alphabet, and they've just dropped a bombshell with a huge upgrade to their Gemini AI. It's faster, it's cheaper, and it's even better at complex tasks like math and coding. We're talking processing massive documents, long videos, the works. It's like the ultimate digital multitasker.
What's really fascinating about this Gemini update, though, isn't just the raw power. It's how practical it is. They've made this version, Gemini 1.5, much more accessible for developers, especially those working on smaller projects who might not have the resources for the pricier, earlier versions.
So it's like they're leveling the playing field, making AI tools more available to everyone, not just the big players.
Exactly. And they're making it incredibly user-friendly. Imagine this. You're working on a project, you need a specific image, and boom, Gemini digs it up for you, right from Google Photos. It's all seamlessly integrated with familiar tools like Gmail and Docs.
Wow, AI embedded right in the tools we use every day. That's wild. No more switching between a million tabs. But, as much as I love a good productivity boost, it's the human element that really gets me excited about AI.
And OpenAI seems to be on the same wavelength. They're really focusing on that human touch with their latest update.
Yeah, they're taking their already impressive ChatGPT and making it feel even more, well, human.
They've just rolled out a new feature for ChatGPT Plus subscribers, Advanced Voice Mode. This means you can now have a spoken conversation with ChatGPT, and it actually responds in a realistic-sounding voice.
Wait, so it's not just reading text back to me in a robotic voice?
No, not at all. OpenAI has put a lot of work into this. They spent months testing and refining, adding 5 new voices, improving accents, and even incorporating those little ums and ahs that make human conversations so natural. They've even added custom instructions so you can personalize your interaction even further.
Okay, that's seriously cool. Have you tried it out yet? What kind of custom instructions are we talking about?
I have, and it's surprisingly engaging. You can ask it to, say, speak slower, or even adopt a specific persona like a Shakespearean actor. It's fascinating to see how these nuances can really change the feel of the interaction.
It's like they're blurring the lines between interacting with AI and having a chat with a real person. Which, speaking of blurring lines, is exactly what Meta seems to be going for with their latest chatbot experiment.
They're definitely pushing the envelope. You're talking about their celebrity voice feature.
Yeah. Imagine opening up your Meta chatbot and having a conversation with a voice that sounds exactly like Judi Dench, or maybe even John Cena.
It's certainly a bold move on Meta's part. I think their goal is to make these chatbots feel even more engaging, even exciting to use. But it does make you wonder about the implications, doesn't it?
It really does. I mean, are we getting to a point where people might start to prefer interacting with an AI that sounds like their favorite celebrity over, actual human interaction? It's kind of a mind-bending concept.
It's a valid concern, especially as AI technology gets more and more sophisticated. But while we're pondering the potential societal impacts, let's not forget about another crucial aspect of making AI accessible to everyone: language.
That's a great point. Not everyone speaks English, and it's amazing to see how much effort is going into ensuring AI is inclusive.
Absolutely. And OpenAI is leading the charge there. They've developed a new multilingual benchmark tool that's a game changer for inclusivity in AI.
Okay, tell me more about this tool. How does it work?
Essentially, it allows developers to test how well their AI models perform in 14 different languages, including German, Bengali, Arabic, and more. This means they can identify any biases or inaccuracies in how the AI understands and responds in those languages and work on making it better.
That's amazing. So we're not just talking about making AI accessible to English speakers, but truly building technology that works for everyone, regardless of where they come from or what language they speak.
Exactly. And as AI becomes more integrated into our lives, this kind of global perspective is going to be essential. But of course, with any powerful technology, there's also the question of responsibility.
Right. AI has to be accurate and trustworthy, otherwise what's the point?
Precisely. That's where Microsoft's new platform correction comes into play. It's designed to tackle the issue of AI hallucinations.
Hold on, AI hallucinations? Is that what I think it is?
It is. It's basically when AI systems generate incorrect information, which can happen even with the most advanced models. Correction acts as a kind of fact checker for AI-generated text, flagging any potential inaccuracies.
So it's like having a safety net to make sure the information coming from AI is reliable. That's incredibly important, especially as we start to rely on AI more and more.
Absolutely. And speaking of relying on AI, we're starting to see AI being integrated more and more into the apps and platforms we already use.
Totally. Like with Snap's chatbot getting a serious upgrade thanks to Alphabet's Gemini.
That's a great example.
Yeah.
They're incorporating Gemini's power into their existing chatbot, which means it's going to be a lot smarter and more interactive. And this is just the beginning. We can expect to see AI woven into more and more of our everyday technologies.
It's almost like AI is becoming part of the fabric of the digital world. We don't always see it, but it's there in the background making things work better. But let's not forget the hardware that powers all of this AI magic. The competition in the AI chip market is heating up. It's like a digital showdown. We've got Intel staging a comeback with their new processors designed specifically for AI, going head-to-head with NVIDIA, which has been dominating the AI chip scene. What's the story there? Who's got the edge in this tech battle royale?
Well, it's a fascinating race to watch. Intel is betting big on their new Xeon 6 processor, and it's a versatile beast capable of handling a wide range of AI applications. But then you've got NVIDIA's contender, the Gaudi 3 processor, which boasts a 20% power boost and double the efficiency of Intel's top chip when it comes to training those complex AI models.
So it's a close call. More competition like this in the AI chip world has got to be a good thing, right?
Absolutely. It's a win-win situation for everyone. More competition means faster development, lower costs, and ultimately AI becoming more accessible to everyone, from researchers pushing the boundaries of what's possible to you experimenting with the later AI-powered tools.
It's mind-blowing to think about how far AI has come in such a short time. But it's not just about the future, is it? I mean, we're also seeing AI being used to unlock the mysteries of the past, which I find totally fascinating.
You're right. It's not just about shaping the future. It's about understanding our past in new and exciting ways. Take the Nazca lines, for example, those massive ancient geoglyphs in Peru.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I remember learning about those in school, giant drawings etched into the desert, and nobody knows for sure who made them or why. Are you saying AI is helping us solve that mystery?
Exactly. Researchers are using AI to analyze aerial photos of the Nazca region, and it's revealing previously hidden geoglyphs that are invisible to the naked eye. We're talking over 300 new discoveries. AI is giving us a whole new perspective on ancient civilizations.
That's incredible. It really drives home the point that AI isn't just about cold, hard technology. It's about expanding our understanding of the world from the everyday to the truly ancient and currents. It's a powerful tool for discovery and exploration.
Couldn't have said it better myself. And as AI technology continues to evolve, who knows what other incredible discoveries await us? The possibilities are limitless.
So there you have it, another week, another deep dive into the world of AI, faster chips, celebrity voices, ancient mysteries. Oh my. What stood out to you most? What has you most curious about the future of AI? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring.